Okay, hi Busala. So the first thing you do is to just search for screen castomatic. Yeah, that's it. So you just click it, then you just click record for free. Record for free. Yeah. So as soon as you do that, record for free. So it's just gonna give you some prompts like you yeah, it's gonna give you this screen, webcam, both mass time, SARS, narration, computer, audio. So just click the screen icon. Yeah, it's gonna show on the left hand side. Because I have it installed already, so I won't be able to do that. But I can just put you through, or just watch a tutorial. So just record for free, and you go over the the lessons and the questions too. So I prepared some questions for you. I'll just drop it on your Telegram. Yep. Okay. Okay, Busala, I discovered that I can't do the recording on the recording app. So I sent you a tutorial link. So just watch it. It's basic. It's easy to use, and yeah. Okay, bye.